What is it?
A beat on the beat.
What's chillin', Higgies? Today we're gonna have a lit day. We're gonna go see the fireworks and we're gonna eat, and I'm so freaking excited.
July 3rd.
That was plenty for me. You know?
Am I hunchback?
Who's Pop? My name is Noah Higgy. This is story time. So,
What story?
my sister was squatting in the water, and I'm like, you know what? Let me jump over y'all. So what happened was, she's like, okay. So she squatted down, and I leaped, and I freaking head slant on the sea float. And I gave myself concussion. So now I got a 6-inch little scar on my forehead, no, on my head. And now we'll go back to the mom because I got a concussion. My eyes are dilated. Look.
Now for me. Oh my god.
So close up.
George looked good.
Let me see the weight.
Yeah.
Oh man, that was hot.
This is how you do it. Homemade green tea right here. Wow, it's hard as a rock. I'm just kidding.
Oh, it just came out of the freezer.
Can you like cut me a piece, please? Hello. Hello, little kitty. Hi, pretty kitty.
When I saw the team rally around you, perfect.
Okay.
First thing you know.
So we have some homemade green tea ice cream, and I think there's a hair on my hand, and we're gonna taste test right now.
Another one. Joan, a troubled ringmaster from a broken home.
What is that?
Only step on the
No, not green tea, honey. Oh, look, it wanted to be in my pile. Who won this one?
Sophie, I don't think we have to count.
I know. One. I'm the winner.
No.
Are you following me? Are you following me?
What's up, Piggies? Today is July 4th. 4th of July. Why did I say July 4th? I don't know. It's 4th of July. And it's going to be lit because we're going to Pirates Dinner, just like medieval times, except it's Pirates themed. And then we're going to go set off fireworks. So it's going to be lit.
We at Dollar Tree right now because this place is sick. We just found a whole bunch of 4th of July. What are these? Glow sticks. Pretty sick, pretty sick. I don't know why it's out of focus. Decision made. Success! We've got the goods! Yay! That's what I like. That's what I like. That's what I like. We arrived at the Pirates. What is it called?
Pirates Dinner Adventure.
We arrived at the Pirates Dinner Adventure. We've been to the Medieval Times Adventure, but we don't know how the Pirates is going to be. Hopefully it's not like a bunch of little kids or something. I heard that there's like 150 participants. There it is. I heard that there's like 150 participants, and we want to participate, so we're going to video some of that. Hey. Hey. Videography? Oh, this is so sick. Dad thought that we only got chocolate cake, bruh. It's a full meal.
You should take a picture with your camera.
Okay.
See? Look that.
You're so annoying. It is honestly pretty cool. They let us videotape, and if not, we're gonna secretly do it. All right, let's do this. Let's go.
Are you getting this action? Are you getting this action?
What is it? What do you want? It's a little coin with Mother Teresa on it. Just kidding. It's not Mother Teresa. I don't know who it is. I think I'm gonna get it for the keychain on my car, for my car keys. Look, guys, I found my name. going?
It's red, right? It has a red dot?
Yeah. I don't know which way to put it in.
Somebody doesn't matter.
The pirate bestows the wisdom of the ancients. For more instruction from the pirate.
Oh! That will be the beginning of a bright future. You are a very sincere individual and like to be surrounded by your good friends. Your money troubles will soon disappear. What does that say? Stay in school, kids. What? Did I just read? Let's go look.
I'd laugh.
Raise one more cheer for the beautiful Highland Gypsy!
Middle section.
6:30, middle section.
Hello. My baby. What the? Yes. What'd y'all think about the show?
I loved it. I loved it.
It was good. It was pretty good. Did you like Medieval Times or this one better?
This one.
Really? Why this one? Please,
I told you why.
Oh, that's why. I mean,
What the point was my mom told me that they were gonna take 150 people and put them in the show, okay? So I was like, homegirl, I'm gonna get on it, you know, 150 people, like I'm bound to get on it. No, I did not get on it once, and I wanted that so. Out of everyone in that place, I wanted it. I wanted it so bad.
I told her, I was like, if they pick you, you have to accidentally touch their abs. And she's like, hell no, I ain't doing that, but that would have been a once in a lifetime thing, and you missed your chance.
Yeah.
We got the goods here. What is it called? Perfect show.
Turn around, I got a picture.
Look at the little kitties. Aww. What?
Oh. I like these because they're silent.
Yeah, they don't do anything. They just blow.
Right to Dad.
Smoke Dad up. Alright. Stop moving closer to me. I know what I'm doing.
Don't hit my legs.
Okay.
Right here.
Freaking
Not
chill.
here.
Okay.
Right here. Okay, ready? Let me know when you're gonna do it.
Oh.
Sit your ass down. Sit your ass down.
One more time.
What
One
the
more
fuck?
time.
Over. Ready, Dad? Bend over. Here, we'll do. I'm so down.
Three pumps.
Having fun, Tiff Hickey?
Got three pumps.
I'm having fun.
Those are legal.
Hey
guys, so here I am officially ending the vlog because I guess we didn't record doing that on the 4th, but sorry, there's like a window over here and it's like kind of washing me out, but you know, we're just gonna deal with it. So anyway, so that was basically what our 4th of July consists of. We usually do fireworks every year and we do like something new along with it. Like this year we did the Pirates Dinner Adventure and that was super fun. I 10 out of 10 recommend going if you haven't already. I mean, some people honestly, like I've gone to medieval times before and a lot of people told me that they didn't like it, but I enjoyed it. So I don't know, I guess if you're into that stuff you would like it. Who's joining us? Hey look, Tiff wants to end the vlog with us. Come back.
No.
Fine. Okay, anyway, so anyway guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe, and yeah, I think that's it. Peace out, skillets!